Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're doing something a little different, diving deep into the world of code. But don't worry, you don't need to be a tech wizard to follow along. We're talking about the top 5 platforms where you can learn programming online, and these resources are perfect for anyone, whether you're just starting out or you're already a coding ninja looking to level up your skills even further. We're going to break down each platform, see what they're all about, and by the end, you'll be able to pick the perfect one to launch your coding journey. So, let's get started. First up, we've got Codecademy. And let me tell you, this platform is all about diving in and getting your hands dirty. We're talking interactive lessons that feel more like a game than actual work, which is always a plus. What I really dig about Codecademy is how they break down complex programming concepts into bite-sized chunks, making it super approachable, even if you're staring at a line of code for the very first time. And the best part, they've got real-world projects sprinkled throughout the courses, so you're not just learning the theory, you're actually building real stuff, which is how you really solidify those coding skills. Signing up on Codecademy is a breeze. They've got a super clean and intuitive interface. Once you're in, you can pick your poison. Whether you're drawn to the sleekness of web development, the logic of Python, or the versatility of JavaScript, they've got you covered. And speaking of coverage, let's talk about their learning paths. These are curated collections of courses, kind of like a pre-built roadmap guiding you through specific tech domains. So if you're aiming to become a web developer, boom, they've got a path for that. Want to master data science? They've got you covered there too. It's like having a personal tour guide for the vast world of coding, but the real magic happens when you jump into the hands-on learning. Codecademy's interactive coding environment is where it's at. You're not just passively watching videos here, you're writing real code directly in your browser, getting instant feedback, and seeing the results of your work in real time. It's like having a coding buddy right there with you, nudging you along and giving you a virtual high five every time you nail a concept. Next up is a platform that needs no introduction, especially if you're even remotely interested in the world of code, Free Code Camp. This right here is a game changer, and the name says it all. It's completely free. We're talking a full-blown coding education without having to shell out a single dime. Now you might be thinking, okay, what's the catch? But honestly, there isn't one. Free Code Camp is driven by a mission to make quality coding education accessible to everyone. And they deliver on that promise big time. They pack a seriously comprehensive curriculum covering everything from the fundamentals of web development all the way to advanced topics like data structures and algorithms. No matter where you are on your coding journey, they've got a spot for you. And just like Codecademy, Free Code Camp is all about learning by doing. They have a strong emphasis on building real projects, which is clutch for a couple of reasons. First, it's the best way to cement your understanding of coding concepts. You're not just memorizing syntax, you're applying it, debugging issues, and figuring out how things work in the real world. And second, these projects become portfolio pieces, tangible proof of your skills that you can show off to potential employers. Now let's talk about their learning paths. Free Code Camp structures their curriculum into these well-defined paths, each focusing on a specific domain. So you might start with their web development path, conquer that, then move on to, say, their data analysis with Python path. It's a choose-your-own-adventure style of learning, allowing you to dive into the areas that resonate most with you. But the real beauty of Free Code Camp lies in its community. This is more than just a platform, it's a global movement of passionate learners and mentors supporting each other every step of the way. Got a question about a tricky coding concept? Hit up the Free Code Camp forums or their Discord server, and chances are you'll find someone who's been there, done that, and is ready to help you out. This sense of community is invaluable, especially when you're first starting out and feeling a little lost in the world of code. Chapter 3. Khan Academy, your first steps into coding. So you're interested in learning to code, but the thought of diving headfirst into complex syntax and algorithms has you feeling a little intimidated. Don't sweat it, we've all been there. That's where Khan Academy comes in, your friendly neighborhood guide to the world of programming, and just like Free Code Camp, it's completely free. This platform is built on the belief that everyone, and I mean everyone, should have access to a world-class education, and they extend that philosophy to their coding curriculum. Khan Academy is known for its simple, easy-to-understand explanations, making it the perfect starting point for absolute beginners. They break down complex concepts into digestible chunks using clear language and helpful visuals to ensure you grasp the fundamentals before moving on to more advanced topics. Think of it as building a strong foundation, brick by brick, so you're ready to tackle anything coding throws your way. And speaking of tackling things, let's talk about their interactive learning environment. Khan Academy believes in learning by doing, and their platform reflects that. You're not just passively absorbing information, you're writing real code directly in your browser, experimenting with different commands, and seeing the results of your work in real time. It's hands-on learning at its finest, allowing you to play around, make mistakes, and learn from those mistakes in a safe and supportive environment. Now, Khan Academy might not have the same vast library of courses as some of the other platforms we've talked about, but what they do offer is pure gold. They focus on building a strong foundation in the core concepts of programming, using languages like JavaScript and Processing.js to teach you the fundamentals of logic, loops, variables, and all that good stuff that forms the building blocks of any coding language. Chapter 4. Coursera Level Up Your Coding Skills with World-Class Courses. Alright, let's switch gears and talk about Coursera, a platform that takes online learning to a whole new level. We're not just talking about bite-sized tutorials here, but full-blown university-level courses taught by professors from some of the most prestigious institutions in the world. Think Stanford, Yale, MIT, the big leagues, and the best part, you don't need to shell out thousands of dollars in tuition fees to get access to this top-tier education. Coursera makes it accessible to anyone with an internet connection and a thirst for knowledge. Now, Coursera isn't exclusively a coding platform. They've got courses on everything from history and literature to data science and business, but their computer science and programming offerings are where they truly shine. We're talking a massive library of courses covering every programming language under the sun, from Python and Java to C++ and Swift. And these aren't just your run-of-the-mill online tutorials. We're talking in-depth courses, often spanning several weeks or even months, with structured lectures, assignments, quizzes, and even real-world projects to put your newfound skills to the test. But here's the real kicker. When you complete a course on Coursera, you're not just getting a virtual pat on the back. You have the opportunity to earn an actual accredited certificate from the university or institution offering the course. That's right, a real certificate that you can proudly display on your LinkedIn profile, your resume, or even frame and hang on your wall. These certificates carry serious weight in the professional world, demonstrating to potential employers that you've got the skills and the dedication to level up your game. And it's not just about the certificates. Coursera courses are designed to give you a deep and comprehensive understanding of the subject matter. You're not just skimming the surface, you're diving into the nitty-gritty, mastering the concepts and techniques that will set you apart from the crowd. Whether you're looking to break into the tech industry, advance your current career, or simply satisfy your intellectual curiosity, Coursera has something to offer everyone. Chapter 5, EDX. Learn from the best, earn credentials that impress. Finally, we arrive at EDX, another powerhouse in the world of online learning. Similar to Coursera, EDX partners with top-tier universities and institutions to bring you a curated selection of high-quality courses across a wide range of disciplines. But what sets EDX apart is their laser focus on providing accessible and affordable education to learners worldwide. They are a non-profit organization driven by a mission to break down the barriers to education and empower individuals through knowledge. Now, just like Coursera, EDX boasts an impressive catalog of computer science and programming courses. Whether you're yearning to unravel the intricacies of artificial intelligence, master the art of data science, or build your own mobile apps, EDX has a course tailor-made for you. These courses dive deep into their respective subjects, providing a comprehensive understanding of the underlying concepts, principles, and techniques. You're not just passively watching lectures. EDX emphasizes active learning through interactive exercises, engaging projects, and real-world simulations. This hands-on approach ensures that you not only grasp the theoretical knowledge, but also develop the practical skills to apply it in real-world scenarios. And speaking of real-world applications, EDX understands the value of credentials in today's competitive job market. That's why they offer a range of certifications and programs designed to enhance your resume and boost your career prospects. Upon successfully completing a course or program, you can earn a verified certificate bearing the seal of the prestigious institution offering the course. These certificates hold significant weight in the eyes of employers, signaling your commitment to professional development and your mastery of in-demand skills. But EDX goes beyond individual courses. They also offer MicroMasters programs, which are graduate-level courses designed to provide in-depth knowledge and skills in a specific field. These programs are equivalent to several months of graduate-level coursework and can even count towards a full master's degree at some universities. So if you're looking for a more substantial credential to propel your career forward, EDX's MicroMasters programs might be just what you need. And there you have it, folks. Those are the top 5 platforms to learn programming online. Each of them offers unique features to help you on your learning journey. Whether you're drawn to the interactive lessons of Codecademy, the project-based approach of FreeCodeCamp, the beginner-friendly explanations of Khan Academy, the university-level courses of Coursera, or the credential-boosting programs of EDX, there's a platform out there that's perfect for you. So what are you waiting for? Pick the one that resonates with you, sign up and start coding today. The world of technology is vast and constantly evolving, and there's never been a better time to jump in and start building the future. Remember, the journey of 1,000 lines of code begins with a single keystroke. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more tech content. See you in the next video.